my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos that I usually post up. So we're gonna go right ahead and start priming my face, and I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and my Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Base Primer. Whew, that was so long, you guys. I had to I had to rehearse that part, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my Nars Radiance Longwear Foundation is Marco. Hopefully I said that right. This is my first time trying out this foundation. I love it. Nars never disappoints me. I do have the Nars Luminous Weightless Foundation, and I love that so much. I'm gonna be using that in my videos to come, okay? This foundation doesn't really have that hydrating look like the Nars Luminous Weightless Foundation do, but I do like this one. This is more of like a matte look for me, but I do like it. It's still full coverage and I enjoy it. Now, my lightings are gonna act up throughout the video, so you guys bear with me when that happens. Don't freak out on me, okay? So yeah, even the makeup's gonna look a little lighter, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix that, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. I'm gonna conceal all the places that I usually conceal, underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and all my cheekbones to make my cheekbones pop. Now, I know you guys heard about Tarte. Y'all know what they did, right? So this is literally my last product that I will be using for them. I've had this Tarte concealer for a minute. I don't know why I didn't use it. I think it's because of the color. I really was not feeling the color. They just need to get their life together when it comes to the color, the shade for us women of color. They still got a long way to go, and I'm not buying any more products from them. That is a promise. Until they get it together, Esther is not dropping no coins for Tarte, okay? So all we're gonna do is just blend that all in, and I'm gonna go right ahead and take my Anastasia foundation stick in Cool, and I'm just gonna contour where the places that I usually contour. So you guys know I've used this. This is my second time using this foundation stick, and I love it. I never really have a problem with foundation sticks. No foundation stick has really let me down when it comes to contouring. I use foundation sticks way better than taking a powder and going ahead and contour like that. I just use foundation stick, then I take a powder and set where I contoured with. It just makes it so much easier for me. I don't know, I just like it that way. You guys seen how tired I am? I was blending. Y'all know, blend until your arms fall off. Blend until you're tired. That's how you know you blend in the right way. So now I'm going to take my SACHA setting powder. You guys know I love this setting powder. It is one of my go-to setting powder to set underneath my eyes. And on my recent video, I told you guys I'm going to get my hands on the the Black Radiance setting powder, but I still haven't. Some of you guys commented and said that it gives y'all flashback and all that stuff, and I'm just like, what? No. I don't know if I want to try it, but I think I'm going to try it just for my baby so you guys can see if it's worth your coins at all, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my Sleek Contour Kit in Deep. Y'all know I love this contour kit. I'm just going to set where the places that I just contoured. You guys see my lighting? That's what I was talking about. I was so pissed when I found out, when I was editing and I seen that. I was like, oh my god. But I like the way this makeup look turned out. So I was like, I'm not going to redo it. We're just going to understand this issue and move on with life, okay? And we're just going to keep blending per usual. I never get tired of blending, because that's how you know you're doing it right. So now I'm going to take my Anastasia single eyeshadow that's in Caramel, and I'm just going to work this into my crease as a transition shade. I'm going to just pile this up until I am satisfied. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go right ahead and grab my Couture palette. Now this palette is discontinued. They do not sell this palette no more. And if they do, correct me if I'm wrong, but I have not found this palette anywhere. So I'm going to just take that fudge color and put that all over my eyelid. I'm going to leave the link down below where to get this eyeshadow in particular. I'm pretty sure they might be selling it as a single. Now if they don't, it's not going to be in the description box, but if they do, I'm going to leave it down there. So you guys check that out so you do not, so you are able to get this eyeshadow if you're really interested in this eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, before you head out, make sure you follow me on my social media. Here's my Snapchat makeup pour and my Instagram beautiful KYLIE. I am always on these two social medias when you do not find me on YouTube, and I'm easy to talk to. So go ahead and pause this video, go add me, come back, keep going watching this makeup tutorial. And if you're new, if you like what you see so far, the content and everything else, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go right ahead and highlight my eyebrow bone with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. You guys know from my recent video I did use this highlighter and I wasn't feeling it that much, but y'all, this highlighter is actually becoming one of my faves. I've been using it a lot more than I thought I would. It's super affordable. Like I told you guys, it's like less than 10 bucks, or it's 10 bucks, one of each, okay? So I'm gonna leave that in the description box and the link to where you can get this highlight. So we're gonna go right ahead and go ham on my highlighting. You guys know this is my favorite part, and y'all see this fan brush? It's life, okay? It is the best fan brush I've ever owned. This is from Morphe. I don't know which kind it is, so you guys, I'm gonna leave where to get all the brushes that I've used as well and the links, so it will make it so much easier for you guys. You see how much I love y'all? Like, this is love, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm gonna pop my lashes. These are the KOKO lashes in STELLA. And all I'm doing is just setting my face with a brush. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna take my fudge eyeshadow and smear that under my water lash line. Pretty much I'm just gonna work this under my water lash line until I smoke it out the way I want it to be smoked out. I don't want it too dark and I don't want it in the lighter side. So yeah, you guys are just gonna watch and see what I'm doing. Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna go back into my little palette and get that eyeshadow from Anastasia. I'm not sure what eyeshadow this is. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. Only reason I don't know is because I don't have the eyeshadows right by me, so I'm just like guessing as I go. But that one I can't lie to you guys. I don't know which one that is. So check the description box. I'll have it down there. So now I'm gonna underline my lips with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and I'm also going in with my Kylie Jenner lipstick, liquid lipstick in True Brown K. This is literally a true brown, okay? For my chocolate skin, I love this lipstick, to be exact. I love how brown it is. It's like not too light, it's not too dark, it's just so perfect, and it went so well with this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time, you guys, and if it's not your first time, leave me a nice little comment because I will be sure to check that out. And that is it, my babies. Nakupenda sana. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!